Good morning, students. In previous class, we are discussing about angle between two lines. Remember that formula? The angle between two lines, say y is equal to m1x plus c1 and y is equal to m2x plus c2 is given by the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, where m1, m2 are slopes of the lines 1 and line 2. Okay, based on that formula, to solve some more problems. Now here problem number 2, what is that? If the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2, find the slope of the other line. Angle between two line is 45 degree. ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 1 by 2. ನಾವು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್? ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ pi by 4, that is nothing but 45 degree in degree. Okay, and one slope is given, say m1 is given 1 by 2. Now to find the other slope, now here let the other slope be, we don't know, we take say m, call it as m2. Okay, now by using angle between two lines, you know the formula. What is that? Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, substituting the values. Tan of theta value 45 degree is equal to modulus of m1 value is 1 by 2, m2 we don't know, we take say m, divided by 1 plus m1 is 1 by 2, m2 is m. Okay, but tan 45 degree value, how much? Standard angle 1 is equal to modulus of, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM is 2, 1 minus 2m divided by 2, whole divided by LCM is again 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 plus 1 into m divided by 2. That 2 get cancelled. Therefore, remove the modulus sign so that 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to plus or minus 1. Because we don't know the value of m, whether it may be value of m be positive or negative, we don't know. So that by taking, remove that modulus sign, modulus remove ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we take plus or minus. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ m value positive ಆದರೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು or negative sign. So remember, modulus remove ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, so m value ಎಷ್ಟು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We don't know, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So we take plus or minus. Okay, now here there are two cases. 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to plus 1, or 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to minus 1. Okay, now cross multiply. This implies 1 minus 2m is equal to, cross multiply 2 plus m into 1, 2 plus m. This implies 1 minus 2m, take equal on right side, minus 2 minus m is equal to 0, minus 2m minus m, that is totally minus 3m, 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, implies minus 3m is equal to 1, therefore m is equal to minus 1 by 3. Case 2, or one more result, ಯಾವುದು? 1 minus 2m is equal to, cross multiply 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus m into minus 1 minus m. Then simplify 1 minus 2m, take equal on right side, plus 2 plus m is equal to 0. So minus 2m plus m minus m, 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 0. Implies minus m is equal to minus 3, therefore m is equal to plus 3. Now either m value minus 1 by 3 or m value 3. Slope of other line is either minus 1 by 3 or 3. Clear, students? the slope of a line is double the slope of another line. One slope of line is 2 times the other slope of line. If tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slope of the lines. Now here, if the slope of one line is 2 times the slope of other line. Now here let the slope of one line be m. M ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Call it as say m1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ m1 and other slope b double means 2m. Call it as m2. Right? And tangent of an angle between them is 1 by 3. And tangent tan theta is 1 by 3, that is given. Find the slope of the lines. Now again apply angle between two lines. You know the formula. We know that tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, right? This implies tan theta value given 1 by 3 modulus of m1 that is m, m2 is 2m divided by 1 plus m1 is m, m2 is 2m. Okay. Now this implies 1 by 3 is equal to modulus of, simplify, m minus 2m minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square, right? So remove the modulus sign. Minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square is equal to plus or minus 1 by 3, because we don't know the value of m. M value, it may be positive or negative, we don't know. That's why by taking plus or minus. Okay. Now there are two cases. Minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square is equal to plus 1 by 3, or minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 1 by 3. Right? Now simplify. Now this implies minus m by 1 plus 2m square is equal to 1 by 3. Simplify, cross multiply, 1 plus 2m square into 1 plus 2m square is equal to 3 into minus m minus 3m. So rearrange 2m square plus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify. Now clearly it is quadratic. It has two roots. Splitting up middle term, 2 into 1 2. If you multiply by any two number you get 2. Add that same number you get 3. Those numbers are 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. So factors 2m square plus 2m plus m plus 1 is equal to 0 implies from these two take 2m common, m plus 1 common, m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now first factor 2m plus 1, second factor m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, or m plus 1 is equal to 0, 2m is equal to minus 1, or m is equal to minus 1. Hence m is equal to minus 1 by 2, or m is equal to minus 1. This is one case. Another case, or minus m divided by 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 1 by 3. Again further simplify, cross multiply. Now here 1 plus 2m square into minus 1 minus 2m square is equal to 3 into minus m minus 3m. Okay. Implies minus 1 minus 2m square plus 3m is equal to 0, or minus 2m square plus 3m minus 1 is equal to 0, or multiply by minus sign 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Again it is quadratic. It has two roots. If you multiply by any two number you get 2. add that same number, you get 3. Again those numbers are 2 and 1. We can write 2m square minus 2m minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. From these two take 2m common, m minus 1 minus 1 common, m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore first factor 2m minus 1, second factor m minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2m minus 1 is equal to 0 or m minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence m is equal to 1 by 2 or m is equal to 1. Okay. Now therefore slope of one line is m value minus 1 by 2, then minus 1, okay, then 1 by 2, 1. And slope of other line ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ 2m ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 2 m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1 by 2, 2 m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1, 2 m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by 2, 2 m value 1. Okay, 2 2 cancel, minus 1 minus 2, 2 2 cancel, plus 1 plus 2. Therefore slopes are slope of first line minus 1 by 2, other line is minus 1. Okay, then slope of line is minus 1, other line is minus 2. Slope of line is 1 by 2, other line is 1, and slope of line is 1, other line is 2. These are the slopes. This is m, that is 2m. Slope of one line is minus 1 by 2, other line is minus 1. Okay, slope of one line is minus 1, other slope is minus 2. Slope of line is 1 by 2, other slope is 1. Slope of line is 1, other slope is 2. These are the slopes of the lines. Okay, correct ಆಗಿ ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನಿಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವೇನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ one slope by taking m, other slope be say 2m. We got two slopes and tangent of an angle between them is given 1 by 3. Apply tangent of an angle between two lines. You know the formula, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Substituting the values, go on simplify. By removing modulus n, we got two values plus or minus. There are two cases. This is case 1, that is case 2. Case 1 slopes minus 1 by 2 minus, that is here slopes are minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Case 2 slopes are 1 by 2 1. Therefore slope of first line is minus 1 by 2 minus 1, 1 by 2 1. Slope of other line is minus 1 minus 2 1 and 2. Hence slopes are m value 1 by 2, m value minus 1 by 2, and other slope is minus 1. Then slope of one line is minus 1, other slope is minus 2. Slope of one line is 1 by 2, other slope is 1. Slope of line is first line is m, that is 1, other slope is 2. These are the slopes of the lines. Okay, next problem number 4. Find the equation of line passing through the point 3, 2 and making an angle of 45 degree with the line. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಲೈನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೈನ್, ಇವೆರಡೂ ಲೈನಿದ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನಿದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಿಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 3, 2. ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಬಿ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ವಿತ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. find the equation of straight line passing through the point 3 comma 2 making an angle 45 degree with the line. ಈ ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತು ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನ್ ಇವೆರಡೂ ಲೈನಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಲೈನಿದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ನೋಡಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2y ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. Clearly it is in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a value coefficient of x is 1, b value minus 2, c value minus 3. Okay, now slope of given line. How to solve slope of line? 1, it is in the form ax plus by plus c. You know the formula. Slope of the line is minus a upon b minus a value 1, b value minus 2, that is plus 1 by 2. Call it as say m1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ m1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Then slope of line AB. What is slope of line AB? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. So is say m. Call it as m2. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ. y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. x1 y1 given, m ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. To solve m using this line. Okay, so slope of line AB we don't know, we take say m, call it as m2. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. By using angle between these two lines, first to find out the value of m. How? You know that angle between two lines is given by the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Right? Substituting the value. Tan of theta value 45 degree is equal to modulus of m1 value 1 by 2, m2 value m divided by 1 plus m1 is 1 by 2, m2 is m. Simplify. So tan 45 degree standard angle 1 is equal to modulus of, in the numerator take the LCM. LCM is 2, that is 1 minus 2m divided by 2 whole divided by, again LCM is 2, that is 2 plus m divided by 2. Correct? That 2 cancel. Remove the modulus sign. 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to plus or minus 1. Because we don't know the value of m. M value it may be positive or negative. We don't know. That's why by taking plus or minus. Now therefore there are two cases. 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to plus 1, or 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to minus 1. Now simplify. Now cross multiply. 1 minus 2m is equal to 2 plus m into 1, 2 plus m, or 1 minus 2m is equal to cross multiply minus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 2m. Okay? Then simplify. 1 minus 2m minus 2 minus m is equal to 0, or 1 minus 2m, take equal on right side, plus 2 plus 2m is equal to 0. Minus 2m minus m, that is minus 3m. 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0, implies minus 3m is equal to plus 1, divide by minus 3, m is equal to minus 1 by 3. Or ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, minus 2m plus 2m, that is cancel. Check it. 1 minus 2m by 2 plus m is equal to minus 1 minus 2. Sorry, here cross multiply minus 2 minus m, not 2m, minus m. 1 minus 2m plus 2, this is plus m. So minus 2m plus m minus m plus 3 is equal to 0, implies m is equal to plus 3. So m value minus 1 by 3 or m value 3. Therefore if m is equal to minus 1 by 3 slope sikta and one point given x1 y1 is given, that is 3 comma 2. Then to find the equation of line AB using one point formula, you know, therefore equation of line AB using one point formula, what is that? Y minus y1 is equal to m into bracket x minus x1. Substituting the value, y minus y1 is 2, m value is minus 1 by 3, x minus x1 is 3. Simplify, cross multiply, 3 into y, 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3. Minus 1 into x minus x, minus into minus plus 3. Now rearrange. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, this implies 3y minus 6. Take equal on right side. Minus into minus plus x. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 3y minus 6 minus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. This is case 1. Another case, case 2. If m is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 and x1 y1 is the point 3 comma 2, then equation of line AB using one point formula, y minus y1 value is 2, m value 3, x minus x1 is 3. Simplify, that is 3 into x, 3x, 3 3s are 9 is equal to y minus 2. So this implies 3x minus 9 minus y minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 3x minus y minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. So equation of line AB, x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 or 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಈ ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಲೈನ್ದು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬೇಕು? 45 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ m1 ಮೈನಸ್ m2 ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ m1 m2. m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1/2 ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? m1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1/2 ಮೈನಸ್ m2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. m2 ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ? m2 ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ m ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1/3 minus into minus plus 1/3 divided by 1 plus m1 1/2 m2 minus 1/3. Simplify, LCM is 6. 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 plus 2 5/6. Here LCM is 6. 6 plus into minus 6 minus 1 5/6. 5/6 5/6 cancel, that is 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 ಆದರೆ theta value 45 degree. Okay, if you take another one, ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು? m is equal to 3 ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. Take m value 3 substitute ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, so tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 value 1/2, m2 value is 3, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? m2 value m value is 3 divided by 1 plus m1 is 1/2, m2 is 3. So simplify, LCM is 2, 1 2s are 2 1s are 1 minus 6 minus 5/2 divided by LCM is 2, 2 plus 3 5/2, 5/2 5/2 cancel, modulus of minus 1 is plus 1, tan theta value 1, angle theta is 45 degree. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ತಾನೆ? ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ 3, 2 ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ 45 degree ವಿತ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಲೈನ್. ಈ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಈ ಲೈನು, ಇವೆರಡೂ ಲೈನಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 45 degree ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಿದ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ದಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ case 1, x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 or 3x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Clear students? Note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay? Problem. Find the angles of triangle. The equation of whose sides are 3 sides, its equations are given. Using these 3 sides to find the angles. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. We don't know where that triangle, it may be right angled or isosceles or equilateral, we don't know. We will draw rough diagram. This is one triangle. Say A, B, C. There are three sides, AB side, BC side, AC side. Now the sides, its equations are given. AB side equation x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. BC side equation x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Then AC side, its equation y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now here given three sides are given. Its equation is given x plus y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is first equation. Second equation x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Third equation y minus 8. Now we can write y minus 8 can be written as, we can write 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Okay. Now the question, to find the angle, three angles. More angle and find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We don't know. We take theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. There are three angles. Let theta 1, theta 2, theta 3 be the angles of the triangle ABC. Now how to solve? Now here first equation, it is in the form ax plus by plus c. Here a value coefficient of x is 1, b value coefficient of y 1, c value 5. Whereas second equation, a value is coefficient of x1, b value coefficient of y minus 1, c value is 7. Here a value is coefficient of x is 0, b value coefficient of y 1, c value minus 8. Okay. Now to find the angles theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. Now you know the formula. What is that? Angle between two lines is given by the formula. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now here we know that tan theta, instead of theta, by taking theta 1 is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Then second angle, tan theta 2 is equal to modulus of m2 minus m3 divided by 1 plus m2 m3. Modulus of m2 minus m3 divided by 1 plus m2 m3. Then theta 3 be the angle between two lines. Now tan theta 3 is equal to cyclic order m1 m2 m3, m1 m2 m2 m3, then m3 m1, not m3 m4, because only three angles. Okay. Now here in first line, what is slope of line 1? You know the formula. What is that? Minus a upon b, that is minus a value, b value 1, that is minus 1. Call it as m1. And slope of line 2, same formula, minus a by b. Line 2, minus a value 1, b value minus 1, minus into minus plus 1. Call it as m2. And slope of line 3, minus a by b formula, minus a value 0, b value 1, that is 0. Call it as m3. We got three slopes. Now apply that formula. Therefore, tan theta 1, to find 1 by 1 angle, tan theta 1 is equal to modulus of m1, m1 value is today minus 1, minus m2 value 1 divided by 1 plus m1 is minus 1, m2 is 1. Simplify. That is tan theta 1 is equal to modulus of minus 1 minus 2 divided by plus into minus 1 minus 1. That is modulus of minus 2 by 1 minus 1, 0. So tan theta 1 is equal to any number upon 0. Enagutte? Any number divided by 0, not defined, that is infinity. Therefore, angle theta 1 is equal to, that is standard angle. You know that tan of theta 1 is infinity. What is theta 1 angle is? Pi by 2, 90 degree. Because tan of 90 degrees, infinity. We got one angle. Okay. Next, to find tan theta 2. Tan of theta 2 is equal to modulus of m2 minus m3. m2 value 1 minus m3 is 0 divided by 1 plus m2. m2 value is 1, m3 value 0. Right? So tan of theta 2 is equal to modulus of 1 minus 0 1 divided by 1 plus 1 into 0 0. So tan theta 2 is equal to 1 plus 0 1, 1 by 1 is 1, Therefore, angle theta 2 is equal to tan of which angle is 1? Standard angle. How much? 45 degree. Pi by 4. Pi by 2 radian. Degree is 90 degree. Pi by 4 is radian. Degree is 45 degree. We got two angles. Right? To find remaining angle. Now you know that. We know that sum of interior angles, sum of three angles must be how much? 180 degree, right? Therefore, to find remaining angle theta 3 is equal to 180 degree. That theta 1 goes to right side, minus theta 1, theta 2 goes to right side, minus theta 2. Or theta 3 is equal to 180 degree minus of theta 1 plus theta 2. So, theta 3 is equal to 180 degree minus of theta 1 angle 90 degree, theta 2 angle 45 degree. So, that 180 degree minus 90 plus 45 degree estaಗುತ್ತೆ 135 degree. So, therefore, theta 3 is also 45 degree. Hence, three angles are, angles ಏನೇನು ಬಂದು ಹಾಗಾದರೆ angles are 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. So, ಈ angles observe ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it must be right angle triangle, right angled isosceles triangle. ನಾವು simply one triangle draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, but angles find out ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ triangle ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? It is right angled isosceles triangle. Clear? One more problem. If the line 3x minus py minus 8 is equal to 0 makes an angle of 45 degree with the line 2x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 0, then find the value of p. Now here there are two lines are given. The angle between these two lines is 45 degree. Then to find the value of p. ಇವೆರಡು ಲೈನದ angle ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 45 degree ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is the value of p? Very simple question. Now here given data, first line 3x minus py minus 8 is equal to 0. Second line 2x plus 5y minus 17 is equal to 0. And theta value is given 45 degree. Okay. Now clearly it is in the form, general form of equation of line like ax plus by plus c. Here a value 3, b value minus p, c value minus 8. Whereas line 2, a value 2, b value 5, c value minus 17. Okay. Now slope of line 1. What is slope of line 1? You know the formula, that is minus a upon b minus a value 3, b value minus p, that is minus into minus plus 3 by p, call it as m1. And slope of line 2, second line slope ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, slope of line 2, same formula, minus a upon b minus a value 2, b value 5, call it as m2. Okay, we got two slopes. Now you know that angle between two lines is given by the formula tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, right? So tan theta value given 45 degree is equal to modulus of m1 value 3 by p, m2 value is minus 2 by 5 divided by 1 plus m1 is 3 by p, m2 is minus 2 by 5. Correct? Now simplify. Tan 45 degree value, standard angle 1 is equal to modulus of 3 by p, LCM is 5p. Correct? Here multiply by 5, here multiply by p. For 3 into 5, 15, minus into minus plus 2 into p, 2p, divided by, again in the denominator LCM is 5p. Here multiply by 5p, here multiply by 1, 5p into 1, 5p. 5p into 1, 5p, correct? Plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6. Here plus 5p minus 5p cancel. Remove that modulus sign. 15 plus 2p by 5p minus 6 is equal to plus or minus 1. Now simplify. 15 plus 2p by 5p minus 6 is equal to plus 1, or 15 plus 2p by 5p minus 6 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. 15 plus 2p is equal to 5p minus 6. Here 15 plus 2p is equal to minus 1 into 5p minus 5p, minus into minus plus 6. So that 15 plus 2p minus 5p plus 6 is equal to 0, or 15 plus 2p, take equal on right side, minus into minus plus 5p minus 6 is equal to 0. So rearrange 2p minus 5p minus 3p. 15 plus 6, 21 is equal to 0. Here 2p plus 5p, 7p. 15 minus 6, 15 ರಲ್ಲಿ 6 less ಮಾಡಿ plus 9 is equal to 0. So implies minus 3p is equal to minus 21, or 7p is equal to minus 9. Therefore p is equal to, divide by minus 3, minus 21 divided by minus 3, 3 7s are 21, that is 7, or p is equal to minus 9 by 7. So p value either 7 or minus 9 by 7. Okay students, so remember the formula for angle between two lines. That derivation they may be asked in final exam. Important result. Derivation practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. So remember the formula for angle between two lines is given by the formula modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Substituting the values, go on simplify. So p value 7 or minus 9 by 7. Clear students? Thank you.